Yeast. Yeast is unicellular microorganism. Unicellular fungi. Unicellular means its body is made up of only one cell. Only one cell. All the life processes, nutrition, respiration, digestion, excretion, everything occurs through single cell. Reproductions also occur by one cell. It's like it's used. It is used in baking, means making bread, cake. It is also used in alcohol industries, means making wine. In case of making alcohol making, it is done by fermentation. Fermentation is anaerobic respiration done by yeast. Anaerobic respiration means respiration without oxygen. Then during the respiration of yeast, oxygen is not needed. In this process, sugar solution or glucose solution C6H5H12O6 solution. This glucose solution, when yeast anaerobic respiration or called fermentation. Anaerobic respiration in yeast is called fermentation. Due to the fermentation of glucose solution, the product form is ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus CO2 carbon dioxide gas and 2 ATP adenosine triphosphate energy. Be careful. If the anaerobic respiration occurs in human beings, it is not called fermentation, and here instead of alcohol, acid is formed. Reproduction. In yeast. By budding, by spore formation. Budding. When the cell grow in full size, once one or more bud grow from the cell, and in course of time these cells or these buds separated forming new cells. In this way is produced by budding. Well, next, by budding, by spore formation. By a spore formation. When a spore case, which is a spore which is always floating in air, fall on the suitable place, having stale food or soil, moist soil. The spore first change into hypha and then mycelium. After mycelium, on the mycelium, a spore case form. When the spore case ripen or become mature and sunlight fall on them, they burst open and the spores again thrown into the air and fall to the ground for the next reproduction. And that when they fall on the ground and finding the suitable conditions of food, moisture, temperature, they again grow. Again in हिंदी, जब कभी स्पोर मॉइस्ट सॉइल पर धरती पर गिरता है तो पहले माइसीलियम बनता है, माइसीलियम के बाद वो चेंज होता है, सॉरी हाइपा, हाइपा के बाद माइसीलियम में चेंज होता है और उसमें स्पोर केस फॉर्म होता है। स्पोर केस जब तैयार होता है और सूरज के सनलाइट जब उस पर पड़ता है, ये स्पोर केस फट जाते हैं और उसमें क्या स्पोर जो है हवा में फेंक दिया जाता है, तैरने लगता है। जहाँ सूटेबल जगह जैसे फूड, मॉइस्चर, टेम्परेचर ये मिलता है तो नया फिर से उसका जर्मिनेशन हो जाता है और ग्रो होता है। Next, we will see the harmful effect of yeast.